Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a helicopter in emergency response, Liberty County. To begin, you will need to access your Mobile Data Terminal, or MDT, by pressing the number 3 on your keyboard. From there, navigate to the Request Air Support option and confirm your selection. This will initiate the deployment of an AI-controlled helicopter to assist your operations. Helicopters are exclusively available to members of the police and sheriff teams. To call one for free, you must hold the rank of sergeant or higher, which allows a free call every 2 hours. If you are below sergeant, you can still request air support by spending Robux. Remember, there is also a server-wide cooldown of 10 minutes between each helicopter deployment. Once deployed, helicopters operate in one of 2 distinct modes. The Locate Specific Player mode will track a single criminal for 3 minutes, providing continuous visual on their position. Alternatively, the Air Patrol mode will fly over the entire map for 3 minutes, automatically highlighting any criminals it detects within its range, offering broad surveillance. For optimal use, leverage the helicopter's powerful spotlight to keep suspects visible during pursuits, especially in low-light conditions. Remember, these helicopters are AI-controlled and cannot be piloted by players. They spawn from the map's edges. Effective coordination with your ground units is crucial to successfully apprehending criminals highlighted by air support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.